This is how two bachelors come up with an impromptu beer pong table. Cause trust me, this ain't the first time we've done this.
Yeah.
First you grab a plywood board from a friend's front porch.
Yeah.
And then you put some things underneath it to stand it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beer.
What?
It's not level yet. See? So we have to level it out.
Are some tapes thicker than others?
No, they're all about an inch. So we're gonna grab 4 to start off with. But I think we're only gonna need 2.
Think about which ones I don't want to get. Don't want to fuck. I think that one's fucked up anyhow. Sorry, Bill. Grab a couple others.
Yeah,
Just
you got more.
Just have them on hand.
They're not just for watching. Give me another 3 tapes, Matt.
There it is. He wants to roll off the table. This is our level.
No, we don't want a real level. We're gonna use our caveman level. It's a ball. How's the bounce action?
I think this might be a permanent establishment, this kitchen.
Very well could be.
I bet it'll be here for a while.
If Matt and John's team loses, Matt has to chug this. It's barbecue sauce. Matt has to chug this if he loses in this tournament.
Alright. Well, now what the hell do you have to do if you lose?
Nothing.
Well, I have a hard time agreeing with that.
Well, it's already on film, and you already agreed to it.
That way, John, be somebody.
Oh yeah! All right, Matt, you gotta drink your own dick now.
I like though that we have a beer pong setup where the wall is in play. It's been a while.
Yeah, it really has.
Yeah,
Because mostly the only time we play this now is
Last time was Curtis's apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
When we played wine pong and stained his dresser.
yeah.
Oh, nice, Matt.
Because besides.
Oh, that's it!
Oh
I think
my
that's
god!
overtime. I think it is.